Hello boys and girls, Max Scoville here for IGN News with a Deadpool update for you. New images from the upcoming Ryan Reynolds-starring Deadpool movie have been released, and they give us a better look at the Merc with a mouth and his friends and enemies in action. Deadpool, Negasonic Teenage Warhead, and Ajax are among the many characters shown. Images of Negasonic Teenage Warhead and Ajax have been previously released as well, giving us more looks at the people Deadpool will interact with in the very R-rated upcoming film. Fun fact, Negasonic Teenage Warhead takes her name from a Monster Magnet song. Deadpool will debut in theaters on February 12, 2016. For more on Deadpool and for all your Marvel movie news, stay tuned to IGN.